Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check for updates in Windows 11. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security, performance and accessing the latest features. So let's start the video. To manually check for Windows 11 updates, click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update tab in the left sidebar. This is where you can see if there are any updates available for your system. So these are the available updates. To manually check, click on the Check for Updates button. So click on it. Windows will now start checking for any available updates. If there are updates available, Windows will automatically start downloading and installing them. You might need to restart your computer to complete the installation, so make sure to save any work before you do this. So that's how to manually check for Windows 11 updates. Thanks for watching.